Salam. My name is Hasib Khan. Today's the book I have selected for the discussion is The 40 Rules of Love by Elif Shafak. Elif Shafak is a Turkish British novelist, motivational speaker, and women rights activist. She has published 19 books, out of which 12 are novels. The novels like Bastards of Istanbul and The Gaze are the masterpieces that has written by her. When the Elif Shafak was published, it turned the Sufism into the blockbuster territory. In this book there is a story between the scholar named Jalaluddin Rumi and the dervish named Shams. In this book, the author wants to tell us that how a dervish changes scholar into Sufi poet and changes everything about him. The main theme of the book is that to spread love, to not to be savage, eliminate your hurt with love, so you will be kind-hearted.
Okay, that's fine. Fantastic. Keep it up like this, okay? Yeah, finally, you want to say something?
So, the main theme of the book is that to spread love among the humanity.
यहाँ से पता चल रहा है रट्टा लगाया हुआ है हाँ जब पिछला सेंटेंस अगले सेंटेंस के साथ जोड़ा जाए ना once upon a time there was a crow and the crow was thirsty फिर अगला सेंटेंस साथ लगते हैं राइट तो रिपीट नहीं करना ताकि पता ना चले कि आपने याद किया. This was good. Keep it up. Thank you.